There we go. Now we can get this. Park this here, sucker. There we go, and some wind. Maybe I can get out of this shadow here of the building. Make sure I'm away from the building here. Forward a little bit. Get out of here.